Okay, so for today's word work, we're going to write your spelling words in alphabetical order. This is not something we have done a lot of in first grade, so we're going to kind of teach you as we go. When we write things in alphabetical order or ABC order, we write the words in what order they would come in the alphabet. So when I look at all of our spelling words here, I don't see any words that start with an A, but I do see one that starts with a B. Blast. So we're going to put that one first. B-O-A-S-T. And then I'm going to put a line through it so I know that I've used that one so I don't get confused. Okay. What letter comes after B in the alphabet? C. Good. Is there a spelling word that starts with C? Yeah, it's this one right here. Clam. C-L-A-M. Clam. Okay, so what letter comes after C? D. Do you see a word that starts with a D? No. What about E? No. F? No. What about G? Yeah, there's a word that starts with G. Gulp. G, U, L, and P. Okay, so I got to think through my alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H? No. I? No. J? No. K? No, but there is one that starts with an L. Left. L-E-F-T. Very good. Left. Okay, so what's after L? M? No. N? O. Is there a P word? Yeah. Plum. So plum is going to go here. Q. R. S. Yep, there's an S word right there. Stop. T. We have two T words. So when we have two words that start with the same letter, we go to the next letter in the word and see which would come first in the alphabet. So out of trap and twin, what comes first in the alphabet? The R or the W? Yeah, the R. T-R-A-P. Trap. And then the next word is going to be twin. T-W-I-N. Good. So we only have two letters left. Which one comes first in the alphabet, the W or the V? So L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S-T-U-V. So we know that vest is going to come next. And then the last word is went, like this. Went. Good. Now you've practiced writing your letters in alphabetical order. Perfect. Give yourself a smiley face for doing such an awesome job. Now turn the paper over on the back and do the activity, and then follow your teacher's directions for what comes next.